Introducing Finmars Mobile, your comprehensive financial solution right at your fingertips. Dive into the world of portfolio management, accounting, and financial modeling seamlessly on your mobile device. Every transaction at the touch of a finger. Transparent. Anytime. On the main screen, you can see the overall market value of your assets. We see aggregated information for all portfolios in one place. For more detailed information on each portfolio, all we have to do is select the desired portfolio. For example, how much we gained or lost within the portfolio for the specified period, in absolute terms and percentage change. The period can be selected at the top of the screen. Going to one of the portfolios, for the example bonds portfolio, we can see the extended information on the screen. These are historical values that are available on a chart. We can track how the value changed through time. Below are a number of metrics: return per annum, P&L, a special look at withdraw, a metric that shows how much money was withdrawn or deposited over a selected period of time. The pie chart below gives us a full view of how assets are allocated within the portfolio. For convenience, we can customize the display of this data visualization and group by the type of data we need. When grouping data by country, we can see what is happening with the assets associated with that country. Let's take Argentina as an example. We have two positions open in the portfolio, Entre Rios and Republic of Argentina. In one click, we have all the information available to us about what the movements have been on that position, what the value is, and the types of transactions. Pay attention to the small but extremely useful for the investors feature. You can copy the name of the instrument, some advanced indicators, and send an order, I to your broker. And once the order is executed, the data in the portfolio will be updated automatically. We switch to the Profit and Loss tab for a detailed look at the portfolio's value changes. Here you can see the same portfolio, but now the chart shows the performance of this portfolio, and we can see how much money has been earned, in what currency, and for what period of time. All of this is also customizable for easy reporting. We can also see the asset allocation across different currencies, countries, and so on. Let's see how that's distributed across currencies, across assets of different currencies. Additionally, information about the best and worst performance within the portfolio is immediately available. As on the previous screen, all data types are customizable, but here we have a different set of parameters: total P&L, carry, overhead, PL. Accordingly, at the distance of a couple of clicks, information: how much is earned in total, how much is earned by changing the price of the asset, how much is received by coupons, and what commissions were paid on this paper. Another useful function, which is used by our users and our clients, is the ability to quickly check the latest completed transactions in the portfolio. Clicking on a transaction section opens all the information on it. This section contains online log of view transactions with detailed information on each. In one click, you will get information about the purchase-sale of an asset, instrument, position size, portfolio. You will see the date of the transaction, its value, and its summary. Each transaction also has its unique number. One can view the complete information on a separate screen. You can view all existing transactions for the account for a specific period. The search, which also provides information throughout the app, will show you data not only on the transactions associated with the asset, but will also provide information on every match in the rest of the app. That was the short case of our mobile app. You can try all the possible functionalities by following the link in the description, downloading our app, or signing up for a demo. Finmars, Financial Data Management Platform, your guide to the world of smart investors and technological financial solutions.